Hi students, in this video I'll be explaining why study in the UK. You must be aware that around 500,000 international students are enrolling each year in UK universities. I hope lots of your friends and relatives have chosen UK universities to study and some are trying to go to UK universities. Why? What is the reason to select UK universities? The UK and its universities have a very good reputation for academic excellence, and the universities are in top rankings. It is one of the most popular countries to travel to for the purpose of earning a very good education. What are the benefits in choosing the UK university? There are about 140 universities in the UK. You can choose your preferred course from a variety of universities. That means whatever you decide to study, you can study. That is the most important thing. Whatever you decide to study, you must be able to study. If you are looking to pursue a master's course in UK, you may find the 1 year duration for all master's programs. Alternatively, you may opt for a master's program in combination with PhD, which will save you an additional year. UK courses are generally shorter than other countries, helping to reduce overall tuition fees and accommodation costs. When we are selecting the universities, we are worried about the tuition fees and accommodation fees. So, this one also will help you. Your education will be recognized wherever you go. Every British university is recognized worldwide for having creative and challenging environments that help their students push themselves to the extreme. Bear in mind, UK degrees and qualifications are recognized by employers and academics worldwide. For example, after studying in the UK, if you decide to go to the USA, you can easily get an employment opportunity in the USA. So with the UK qualification, you can find employment opportunities worldwide as its qualifications are recognized worldwide. High quality postgraduate study opportunities are also available at the majority of UK universities, with some universities offering sponsorship to extend Tier 4 visas. The other important point is that you can work while you study and gain work experience along with your study. A part-time job, internship or placement during vacation and volunteering are some ways to develop valuable skills that you can add to your CV. A work placement is a part of the study course for some colleagues, and your university or college may assist in providing placement. There are many scholarships that you can apply to, especially at undergraduate, postgraduate and research level, to support your study and cost of living costs. International students in the UK are eligible to receive free medical treatment by the National Health Service if enrolled in a full-time course. This benefit is not available in other countries. A country like Singapore, you will have to pay a lot for the medical. But here in the UK, if you are a full-time student, free medical opportunities are available. Your spouse, partner or dependent children will also be exempt from payment if they reside with you during the course of your study program. Studying in the UK is an opportunity to experience a multicultural environment, meet new people and fellow international students from across the world, and discover new places. These are the important points why study in the UK. And in my next video, I'll be explaining how to choose a university. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.